Okay, I wanted to do a quick YouTube video. This is my 2007 Honda Accord. Bought it new 11 years ago. And been experiencing AC problems for the last 3 months. The AC would only kick on after 15 or 20 minutes, and then sometimes as long as 30 minutes before it would kick on. And that's pretty brutal in the Florida summers. And took it to some AC pros that I know, and they said, hey, you're going to need a new compressor, you're going to need this and that. And I said, well, how come it works sometimes? He said, I never heard of that, kicking on after 15 minutes. That's very strange. So then I thought maybe it's electrical, and I couldn't find anything online on a cord with an electrical problem with the AC, but I found that on several Honda Fits and Honda Civics that there's a relay switch inside this black box for the clutch for the compressor. I think they call it the AC compressor clutch relay switch. Anywho, bought one of them for $15. AC problem repaired. So you just open this black box here. Get these two clamps on the one side and two on the front. Like yay. And there's 3 black relays. That one, and that one. They all look the same, but the one back here in between these green boxes is the one you need to switch. The replacement one didn't have the white writing on top. $15 at AutoZone. I think if you look inside here, you'll see that middle one. It has like a little cloud there. See that? I guess it's like a snowflake. That snowflake is the AC compressor relay switch. So I'll pop that in, $15. AC seems to be working. Good as new. Hope that helped you out. Anybody has a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord with AC problems, grab that $15 part before you spend $500 or $1,000 at a AC repair place. That's it.